Oh yeah, look at that. Once again, we're pan frying, and this is the blend of sunflower and extra virgin olive oil. How does that look? Yeah, smash the like button, subscribe, and check out the other videos from the chefs. Oh, it's gonna be good. Okay, so we're adding a little bit of this sauce to 3 spots on the plate. Just like this. I'm going to move it around a little bit. Sometimes we give a little shake like this. Oh yeah, look at that, it's going to be good. Okay, and then we've got some eggplant parmesan here. I'm selecting 3 nice pieces, and I'm going to give it a little bit of height by putting them across the plate like this. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. I'm also putting a couple of these small olive pieces around here, and just like this. And then we've got some imaginary fresh basil. Put a sprig right there. Oh yeah. Instead I got the dried stuff. There we go. Yeah, that's gonna be good. I give you 3 reasons to follow the channel. Pick up cooking skills, learn from professional chefs, eat healthier, live longer, and equipment reviews. Oh, too many. You can pick up so many things from this channel. Subscribe right down there, smash the like button, share it with your friends and family. Let's get cooking. Oh yeah, have a great day. This is good to go. Yeah, and now we repeat with a little bit of this magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. There, oh yeah, looking good. That surface is treated and it's ready to go. I would repeat this at least monthly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe right there. Smash that little like button so other people find the videos. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Extract, I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsors label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe and wow, it's gonna really kick. You're gonna improve it greatly. In case you're wondering, I've been smoking this over hardwood coals and cherry for quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. Other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it, and I eat a lot. Magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. Good. Check out the huge selection at your sponsor. Edge grain, end grain, maple, cherry, walnut. Big blocks, small blocks, countertops, island tops, cutting boards, and many other wood products and applications. Thanks for watching. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, got some fresh basil here. It's looking really nice. Look at that color. Smells wonderful. I'm gonna roll this basil up. Do a really quick chiffonade. Please like, share, subscribe, smash that like button, let other people find the video. And if you want to see more about portobello mushrooms as well as pasta dishes, just check out this channel. There's a lot of awesome. Oh, a side note. Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. And get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in Butcher Block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often, we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.